Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Webroot for fast antivirus protection, full guide step by step clearly. To begin using Webroot for fast antivirus protection, start by downloading the software from the official Webroot website. Once downloaded, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to initiate the installation process. When prompted, accept the terms and conditions to proceed. The installer will then ask to confirm administrative permissions. Click Yes to allow the installation to continue. During the installation, Webroot will connect to the internet to download the latest virus definitions and updates. Once the download is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the installation finishes, open Webroot by clicking the desktop icon or locating it in your Programs menu. You may need to log in to your Webroot account, or create one if you are a new user. Once logged in, the main dashboard will display your security status and options. If you want to run an initial scan, click on the Scan tab. Choose the type of scan you wish to perform. A quick scan is ideal for checking the most vulnerable areas of your system. Click Scan Now to start the process. This may take several minutes depending on your system's performance. While scanning, Webroot will detect and alert you to any potential threats. Once the scan is complete, review the results in the dashboard. If any threats are found, follow the recommended steps to quarantine or remove them. To ensure real-time protection is enabled, navigate to the Settings section. Verify that real-time protection is turned on for automatic threat detection. Check the Schedule Scans option to set up regular scans for your system. You can choose how often you want these scans to occur, like daily, weekly, or monthly. Make sure to keep the software updated by enabling automatic updates in the settings. Additionally, consider reviewing the firewall options to enhance your system's security. You can adjust settings to manage network traffic based on your preferences. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the other features Webroot offers, like identity theft protection and password management. By regularly checking your Webroot dashboard and adjusting settings as needed, you will maintain optimal antivirus protection for your device. Remember to restart your computer after installation to ensure all features are fully activated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.